Welcome to Kit Kat Kids. And now let's learn A, B, C together.
A for airplane.
A for airplane.
B for bus.
B for bus.
C for car.
C for car.
D for doll.
D for doll.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
F for fish.
F for fish.
G for goat.
G for goat.
H for helicopter.
H for helicopter.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
J for jeep.
J for jeep.
K for kite.
K for kite.
L for lion.
L for lion.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
N for nest.
N for nest.
O for orange.
O for orange.
P for panda.
P for panda.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
S for snail.
S for snail.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
V for violin.
For violin.
W for watermelon.
W for watermelon.
X for x-ray.
X for x-ray.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Z for zebra.